this video, I want to show you a little bit about the document management feature in CRMPlus365. We can add this feature to any entity in the system, like organizations, contacts, opportunities, projects, etc. To get to the document feature, open a record, such as ABC Foundation, and click on Documents. You can see we have a few documents here, and the system is capable of storing any type of document. The document feature works with Microsoft SharePoint in the background, so the limitations of SharePoint and the features of SharePoint will follow through to CRMPlus365. If you want to add a new document to the list, there are two ways to do it. If you're doing a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, you can click on New and then select the document type. Let's say Word. Give the document a name. And hit Save. By default, the system will go to the online version of Microsoft Word. You can start typing in the document normally. Or if you're more comfortable with the desktop app, you can click on the desktop app and work on it there. This document's automatically saved as you type. When you close this window, your document shows up automatically. Making edits is as easy as a click. And again, if you're working with one of the Microsoft products, by default, you're going to go to the online version of the editor. You can also upload a document. If you click on the Upload button, and then choose File, and scroll for your document, in this case a PDF, and then hit Open. Note that if you had a document with that name already in the list, it's going to get overwritten, so you can choose to turn that off if you want. We'll leave it on. And the document is uploaded that easily. You can view PDFs with a simple click. And image files as well. If you need to rename a file, what you can do is click toward the left to check the file, and then click on this button off to the right and edit the properties. Hit Save, and the file is renamed. You can also delete files. Again, just click the document or documents, and then hit the Delete button. If you want to go to the underlying SharePoint document library, click on the button to the right again, open Location, and open the default site. Now you're in SharePoint. The important thing to realize is now anybody with the SharePoint license and access to this document library can edit these documents. They don't have to be a user of CRMPlus365. This is great for documents that might impact the shipping department or the engineering department, and maybe those people don't have access or don't need access to CRMPlus365, but do need access to those documents. If you'd like more information about the document feature in CRMPlus365, reach out to us at www.p2automation.com.